The online commerce industry has seen tremendous growth over the past decade, and with the recent pandemic, it has only accelerated. With more people shopping online than ever before, there has never been a better time to start an online store. However, starting a successful online commerce business requires more than just putting products up for sale on a website. In this video, we will show you the top 5 most profitable niches for selling physical products. Are you ready? Let's go! Number 1. Fitness and wellness products. Fitness and wellness products are among the most profitable niches for selling physical products, and for good reason. The fitness and wellness industry has been experiencing rapid growth over the past few years, and there seems to be no slowing down in sight. With people becoming more health conscious and interested in leading a healthy lifestyle, the demand for fitness and wellness products has increased significantly. Products such as fitness equipment, supplements, gym accessories, and wellness products have a high demand, making this a highly profitable niche to consider. From gym goers looking to improve their workout routine to those who prefer working out at home, fitness equipment has become a must-have item. Whether it's a set of dumbbells, a yoga mat, or a treadmill, people are always on the lookout for new and innovative fitness equipment to help them reach their goals. Supplements and wellness products have also seen a surge in demand, with people looking for natural and healthy ways to enhance their well-being. Products such as protein powders, vitamins, and herbal supplements are popular choices for those looking to improve their health and boost their energy levels. Gym accessories such as water bottles, gym bags, and headphones have also become increasingly popular, as people look for ways to make their gym experience more convenient and enjoyable. From trendy designs to functional features, these accessories are a must-have for gym goers who want to make the most of their workout routine. The fitness and wellness niche is a highly profitable and growing industry, and there is a wide range of products that cater to this market. Whether you're interested in selling fitness equipment, supplements, gym accessories, or wellness products, this is a niche that offers tremendous potential for success. So if you're looking to start an online store, consider tapping into the fitness and wellness industry and bringing your customers the products they need to live a healthier and happier life. Number 2. Beauty and personal care products. Beauty and personal care products have become increasingly popular in recent years, with people becoming more conscious of their appearance and grooming. The beauty and personal care industry is a highly profitable niche that has a high demand for products such as skincare, makeup, hair care, and personal grooming products. This industry is constantly evolving and growing, making it an attractive option for those who want to start an online commerce business. The trend towards self-care and personal grooming has led to a growing demand for beauty and personal care products. Consumers are becoming more aware of the ingredients in the products they use and are looking for products that are not only effective, but also safe and environmentally friendly. This has resulted in a surge in demand for natural and organic products, as well as products that are free of harmful chemicals and additives. The beauty and personal care industry is also highly diverse, with products catering to a wide range of consumers. From skincare products for different skin types and ages, to makeup for various skin tones and eye colors, the options are endless. This diversity also means that there is something for everyone, making it easier to find a product that meets the needs of your target market. This industry is also highly lucrative. With high margins and a constant stream of new and innovative products, it is a niche that can bring in a lot of money for those who are willing to put in the time and effort needed to build a successful business. One of the key factors that contributes to the success of a beauty and personal care business is having a strong online presence. With the majority of consumers now shopping online, it is essential to have a well-designed website that is easy to navigate and showcases your products in the best possible way. This requires a well-thought-out marketing strategy that leverages social media and influencer marketing, as well as search engine optimization, SEO, and other digital marketing techniques. The beauty and personal care industry is a highly profitable niche that is here to stay. With a growing demand for products that cater to the needs of a diverse range of consumers, and the increasing trend towards self-care and personal grooming, it is a niche that offers numerous opportunities for those who are looking to start an online commerce business. Whether you are interested in skincare, makeup, hair care, or personal grooming products, this is a niche that is well worth considering. Number 3. Home and kitchen products. The home and kitchen niche is one of the most profitable and in-demand niches in the online commerce world. With people spending more time at home, they are constantly looking for ways to improve their living spaces and make them more comfortable and efficient. This has resulted in a high demand for products such as home appliances, kitchen gadgets, and home decor items, making this a lucrative niche for entrepreneurs. Home appliances are a staple in every household, and with advancements in technology, there is always something new and innovative on the market. From smart home appliances that can be controlled with your smartphone to energy-efficient appliances that help you save on your utility bills, there is a product for every budget and lifestyle. The kitchen is another area of the home that is in high demand, and with more people cooking at home, they are looking for products that make their lives easier and more efficient. Products such as multifunctional cookers, high-tech kitchen gadgets, and smart storage solutions are in high demand, and the market for these products is only growing. Home decor is another area of the home and kitchen niche that is in high demand, with people always looking for ways to personalize their living spaces. From furniture and textiles to wall art and accessories, there is a product for every taste and style, making this a highly profitable niche for entrepreneurs. The home and kitchen niche is a lucrative and ever-growing market that offers endless opportunities for entrepreneurs. With a wide range of products and a constant demand for new and innovative products, this is a niche that is here to stay. Whether you are interested in home appliances, kitchen gadgets, or home decor items, there is a product and a market for you, making this a highly profitable niche to consider. Number 4. Pet products. The pet industry is a rapidly growing niche that has seen tremendous growth in recent years. People today treat their pets like family members and are willing to invest in their well-being and comfort. The demand for pet products such as food, toys, grooming supplies, and accessories has skyrocketed, making this an extremely profitable niche for those who are looking to start an online commerce business. Pet food is one of the most in-demand products of the pet industry. Pet owners are willing to pay a premium for high-quality pet food that is free from artificial ingredients and provides all the necessary nutrients to keep their pets healthy. Whether it's dry food, wet food, or treats, there is a huge demand for pet food products, making this an excellent opportunity for entrepreneurs. Toys are another popular product in the pet industry. Pets love to play and keep themselves occupied, and pet owners are always on the lookout for new and exciting toys to keep their pets entertained. From chewy toys to interactive toys, there is a huge demand for pet toys, making this a highly profitable niche for those who are looking to start an online commerce business. Pet grooming supplies are also in high demand, as pet owners want to keep their pets looking their best. From shampoos and conditioners to brushes and combs, there is a wide variety of pet grooming products that pet owners are looking for, making this a highly profitable niche for those who are looking to start an online commerce business. Pet accessories are also in high demand, as pet owners want to provide their pets with the best possible life. From designer collars and leashes to cozy beds and blankets, there is a huge demand for pet accessories, making this a highly profitable niche for those who are looking to start an online commerce business. The pet industry is a highly profitable niche that has a high demand for products such as pet food, toys, grooming supplies, and accessories. With more and more people treating their pets like family members, this is a niche that is here to stay and offers a great opportunity for entrepreneurs to turn their passion into a profitable business. Whether you're looking to sell high-quality pet food, toys that pets will love, or stylish and practical pet accessories, the pet industry is an excellent choice for those who are looking to start an online commerce business. Number 5. Outdoor and camping. As the world becomes increasingly digital and fast-paced, people are looking for ways to disconnect and reconnect with nature. Whether it's for a weekend camping trip or a day hike, the desire for outdoor adventure is growing, and with it, the demand for outdoor and camping products. This makes the outdoor and camping niche a highly profitable one for selling physical products. Camping gear and outdoor equipment are the core of this niche, with products ranging from tents and sleeping bags to camping stoves and coolers. As people seek to escape the city and spend more time in nature, the demand for these products continues to rise. As car camping and glamping have become more popular, so has the demand for high-end camping gear and accessories. This is a profitable niche for both entry-level and high-end products. In addition to camping gear, outdoor furniture is also in high demand. With people spending more time outside, the desire for comfortable and stylish outdoor furniture has increased, creating a demand for products such as patio furniture, outdoor benches, and lounge chairs. The outdoor furniture market has seen significant growth in recent years, making this a profitable niche for those looking to sell physical products. Recreational equipment is another area of the outdoor and camping niche that has seen growth in recent years. Products such as bicycles, kayaks, and paddle boards are in high demand as people seek to enjoy the outdoors in new and exciting ways. Whether it's for fitness or leisure, the demand for recreational equipment continues to grow, making this a profitable niche for those looking to sell physical products. The outdoor and camping niche is a rapidly growing and highly profitable niche for selling physical products. With the increasing popularity of outdoor adventures and the growing demand for outdoor and camping gear, this niche offers a wide range of opportunities for those looking to start an online commerce business. Whether you are selling camping gear, outdoor furniture, or recreational equipment, this niche is a great place to start. And with the right strategy, it has the potential to be a highly successful and profitable venture. And that's a wrap, folks. Starting an online commerce business is a great way to turn your passion into a profitable venture. If you choose a niche that is in high demand, you increase your chances of success and ensure that you are selling products that people actually want to buy. So whether you're interested in fitness, beauty, home and kitchen, pets, or outdoor products, there is a niche that is perfect for you and your business. So what are you waiting for? Take the first step towards turning your passion into a successful business today. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.